It's me, your best friend Spinel, and welcome to another balloon art lesson. What? Were you expecting JekJek the clown? Not this week. This week it's my show, and I'm going to show you how to make your very own balloon Rejuvinator. Isn't it the most beautiful, deadly weapon you've ever seen? Let's get started! To make my Rejuvinator, you're going to need 3 260 balloons. 1 of them in black and 2 of them in pink. Now, well, before we move on, I guess I better take these giant hands off. You know, they look really good and they do kind of complete the cosplay, but they're not practical for twisting balloons. So, from here, just use your imagination. Alright. First thing I'm going to do is air up the black balloon all the way. Let some air out. And tie it. Alright, that one's done. Now, take 1 of your pinks. And once again, air it up all the way. Let air out. And tie. Now we're going to do a lot of squeezing on this one. Just really squeeze that balloon. Squeeze it really, really hard. Just like Pink Diamond did to my heart. First, now we're going to do is twist a tiny, tiny little bubble on the end of the pink. And then a tiny, tiny little bubble on the end of the black. And we're going to twist those 2 ends together. And now, we're going to kind of fold it over, like this, and squeeze that crease in the middle. Once you've done that, kind of bend it inward like this. And that's going to give it that long scythe shape. And once that's done, go ahead and twist yourself another tiny little bubble on the end of the pink, like that. And then twist that into the black balloon. Leave about 1 inch between. And now finally, you're going to take your last pink balloon. And this one, we're not going to air up all the way. More like 2/3 of the way. Let her out. Tie. Squeeze and stretch. Squeeze a tiny bubble on the end. And then now, we're going to secure this tiny pink bubble with this tiny pink bubble. The 2 on top. And now, Measure about, let's say, about 3 inches down. Give it a twist. Now put a 1-inch bubble. Pinch twist. About 1.5 inches. A 1-inch bubble. Pinch twist. Another 1.5 inches. 1-inch bubble. Pinch twist. And finally, we're going to connect it to back onto the black. We're actually going to attach it onto the pink bubble there. So the bottom pink bubble. Alright, now this part here, we don't need. So, pinch where you tied it, and give it a little snip snip on the uninflated part. Go ahead and secure it some more. And once you've looped it around a bunch of times, go ahead and snip off the extra. And now all you need to do is straighten it out. And there we have it. Now you're ready to hunt down the child of the person who betrayed you and get your vengeance by wiping their memories with your new Rejuvinator. Oh, it's gonna be so much fun. Oh, I love playtime, don't you? Concludes this lesson. Remember to practice, practice, practice. And if you pop balloons, it's okay. It's part of the art. And until the next one, I'm your best friend, Spinel. Bye, guys.